couple of safety items I thought would be well noted to bring up at this time. One, I think that's very important for your teeth, whether you're a young athlete or a mature athlete, is having a proper mouthpiece. You wear it, you see football players and people wearing it now in basketball. In weightlifting, it's very important because when you're doing overhead lifts like a military press, bench press, squat, deadlift, those exercises pull a lot of pressure on the jaw and your teeth are right on each other. If you want to save your teeth, you want to increase yourself with more confidence that you in your mouth and your jaw, get a mouthpiece. Make sure you wear one. It's an inexpensive thing to save your teeth. Something else also, when you're getting for the heavier lifting, when you're doing overhead lifts, you're doing bench or pushing, you want to make sure you keep that wrist in an ergonomic position. That means that the wrist and the elbow are in that position. The minute you start breaking over that wrist, the minute you start going back with that wrist, you're going to lose effectiveness in that push and power, that straight line. So one of the good ways is making sure you wrap your wrists up properly. So what you want to do is you grab it on this side with your strap, and this is having somebody else do it for you. But the reality is what you want to do is make sure you wrap your wrists so that the strap goes over, and you go up the wrist to a point, just a couple of inches, not too far, if you can see that, and then I work my way back down. And the whole time as I'm pulling a good steady bit of pressure, some people will say it's a lot of pressure, but you want to just make sure that now, in this position, if I'm pushing anything, this hand, that wrist are in good position. I can't go that way and I can't go backwards with it. So that wrist, when I do a pushing, it's going to be all in line. So saving those wrists is very important. Saving your fingers, all that is good to have. Having a good proper wrist guard is very effective.